What's good, poppin' YouTube family? We back with a reaction video. We got my boy Ariel Ace and my boy Dripstick with the chainsaw man rap Leeches. We back with some more Ariel Ace. Streets needed it, man. When the streets needed the most, he vanished. But nah, he came back. And we got my boy Drip here too. Ooh, it's gonna be a good one. It's gonna be a fire one. So I'm not gonna even hold y'all up. Both their channels gonna be linked down below, along in the video. Make sure you go show us some love. We gonna hop right into it. Turn me up, bro. Y'all boys turn me up. I already know y'all is, but like, you know, so turn me up. Yeah. On the come up.
Leeches. I got them stuck to my soul. They want a pot full of gold.
Okay.
I will not stop on this road.
I won't.
Speeding. Nice young man gone demon. You got a dog in you, I place a pit in you, I put it into that bull you was speaking.
That pit
chop my
bull
dog.
dog.
Chop they chops, I'm cleaving. Get the fuck off. I've been brought to pieces. Y'all won't stop to piece it. Nigga, you saw me. Wave dash in my head while these suckers just looking so salty. That shit can kill off some leeches. Leeches. I'm about to kill off some leeches.
Salt leeches.
Tap out like a semi-shot. Brain drift across the cosmos. To the top flow like a neti pot. Rapping anybody with a snot nose. Show them niggas that they really powerless. Let the hammer slam on a John Doe.
Get it?
Blood work on a power trip. I'm a leech life through a swamp woes. Hasta mañana.
Cause leeches and swamp.
POV, I got the size of a chopper. Weaponize it, ways like Mitaka. Fork his noodle up, we dropping his pasta. I shake that nigga for a no like maracas. Hot streets, cold feet. I see niggas dodging the lava. They stay in they spot and they obla.
Nigga, I'm lacking. I see what he packing. Let's see if his pockets can run. If they can keep dashing, then I'm overlapping, man. I'ma need that in the long. His ass get in trash when I'm done. Only baggage I have is these ones. Tragic, with a ravaging bum. You gonna be short-lived like the Leeches.
Leeches.
Fucking disgusting. I got them stuck to my soul.
Fucking disgusting.
They want a pot full of gold. I will not stop on
this road. I'm speeding.
Nice young man gone
demon.
You got a dog in you, I place a pit in you, I put it into that bull you was speaking. Don't need a reason. Chop my guap, they need it. Chop they chops, I'm cleaving. Get the fuck off. I've been brought to pieces. Y'all won't stop to piece it. Nigga, you saw me. Wave dash in my head while these suckers just looking so salty. That shit can kill off some leeches. Leeches. I'm about to kill off some leeches.
Leeches, I may leak him, I've been on that. He get beat us by a contract. We peeping how we contract. Pieces speaking like a podcast. Shots at your direction, all I know is combat. Been a weapon that blew in a top bet. Cut a section to play. Drop that body, blessing my choppers angelic. You and your kin switch faces. And once it gets ugly, stand in my drip in aquarium closet. He gone in the brink for the right amount of money. Get egg drop, headshot like he Bucky. I been hot. Big boss who they study. Pat Fishing is funny. Them stories.
Y'all can't tell me my boys can't rap. I'll never let y'all tell me that.
Stand on my reach. They reaching for feedback, want me to preach to them. I see them riding, I watch how they creep through the alley. I'm bleeding with power, you pussies is tabbies. Put that on my tab, you gon' pay. I've been taxing these stingy ass rappers that cap out the bench. Keep on crying like you special, I lie from my ring.
Leeches.
Leeches.
I got them stuck in my soul. They want a pot full of gold. I will not stop on this road.
I'm speeding.
Nice young man
gone demon.
You got a dog in you, I place a pit in you, I put it into that bull you was speaking. Don't need a reason. Chop my guap, they need it. Chop they chops, I'm cleaving. Get the fuck off. I've been brought to pieces. Y'all won't stop to piece it. Nigga, you saw me. Wave dash in my head while these suckers just looking so salty. That shit can kill off some leeches. Leeches. I'm about to kill off some leeches. Leeches.
Y'all will never be able to tell me that my boys cannot rap. Both of them. Y'all will never be able to tell my boy cannot rap. I will fuck you up. I will fuck you up if you say that dumb shit. I will fold you right then and there. Y'all can never, don't do, yeah, come. Y'all niggas cannot tell me my boys do not be rapping. What the fuck is wrong with you? I'm finna get mad. Ace and Drip don't got me mad, but y'all got me mad. I'm finna get heated, cause y'all niggas cannot tell me my nigga. Y'all can't tell me my niggas don't be right. Alright, yeah, alright, let me stop before I get pissed off. Alright, I'm finna get mad. I'm finna get mad, cause these niggas good. Crazy. Both their channels gonna be linked down below. Along the rest of the video. Make sure you go show some love. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one, but they don't make me mad. Like y'all can have it.